guys, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Let's jump right into our very first story. Now, Breakz has announced that we should expect some new music on Thursday, so we're definitely looking forward to that. He posted a picture of what we are assuming to be, the cover art for the song with the caption, "Take care of yourself, Breakz." According to journalist Olele Salvador, this is a 2-single EP that has had its name changed a number of times, and "Take Care of Yourself, Breakz" seems to be the final edit, and we cannot wait for the fire that is to come. But moving on, celebrated Ghanaian high life, a musician, Kojo Enchi, has been honored with a key to the city of Worcester, Massachusetts, USA, by Mayor Joseph M. Petty. The event was attended by Ghanaian Royal Nana Sompahene, the 3-time 2-division world boxing champion Jose Antonio Rivera, and a large group of enthusiastic fans. Kojo Enchi expressed his gratitude to the city for recognizing his achievements. He firmly pledged to utilize his music as a powerful medium to spread love, compassion, peace, and harmony, while also proudly showcasing the rich and diverse cultures of Ghana and Africa to the entire world. And so a huge congratulations to him from us at MX24. Now, moving on to Nigeria, popular Nigerian comedian AY Makun has lost his house to a fire outbreak on Sunday, August 6th. In a video that went viral on social media, the roof of the comedian's house and some sections were on fire. A fire service truck was also parked in front of the home, while his neighbors rushed out of their homes for their own safety. In an Instagram post, however, the comedian revealed that his family is safe and are on vacation in the United States. We are sorry about this, and we are just glad that he and his family are safe and sound. In response to the calamity, he actually shared on his Instagram that the things that are important to him are his family and God. Everything else is just, it just comes and goes. And it's a really good outlook on life, to be honest. And so we are hoping that, he finds a way out of it. I know it's a huge loss. A whole mansion gone. But moving on to happier news, Rema has set a new record for the longest charting African album on the Billboard 200 with his debut album, Raves and Roses, which clocks a historic 30th week on the chart. This sees Rema break the previous record held by Wizkid with his gold-certified 4th album, Made in Lagos, and congratulations to him. Now, a lot of people have attributed this, the stay on the Billboard to the Calm Down remix he made with Selena Gomez, because, that song has been on their charts. And if that song is on the chart, then it means obviously it's going to affect the album doing well. So, what do you think? Do you think, the song affected the fact that the album is breaking bounds? Let us know in the comment section. But now to the biggest story from yesterday. 31-year-old Tory Lanez was sentenced on Tuesday afternoon to 10 years in prison. He was convicted of 3 felonies in December 2022. That's assault with a semi-automatic firearm, having a loaded and registered firearm in a vehicle, and discharging a firearm with gross negligence. The charges stem from an incident in July 2020 where Lanez shot rapper Megan Thee Stallion in the foot during an argument after a pool party hosted by Kylie Jenner. During his sentencing, Lanez said he considered Megan to be his friend, but admits that he did wrong that night. Prosecutors asked the judge for a 13-year sentence, while Lanez's defense asked for probation. Lanez's lawyer said his client plans to appeal the prison sentence. And finally, it's been so long, the back and forth was just unbearable. And to think that for a while he was rubbing it in her face. He was calling her a liar. He was going on Instagram Live and talking about the situation when she herself decided not to say anything. In the beginning, she was not accusing him of anything. He even got his friends, including Drake, to rap about Megan. He said she lied about getting shot. People dragged her name through the mud. Her sexual history came under scrutiny from a judge, and even the general. The woman she's been through a lot. I'm just happy that finally the verdict is out and he's spending 10 years. So yeah, that's about it for MX Breakz. With me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at MX24GH for everything lifestyle and entertainment. I'm done. Goodbye.